Good morning, everyone, and this is a wonderful day. Yes or no? Or yes or yes? The best part is congratulate yourself that you have conquered the first part of the day. Congratulate yourself that you have done a wonderful job today, getting up early morning and starting your first morning routine. This is the advantage of you getting up on time and starting the routine. Yesterday, one of my student whom I am mentoring said, "Sir, do you know how it feels to be unsuccessful, to be depressed, not earning, blah, 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 blah?" And I told him, "Yes, I know it because I have experienced that." I told him, "Tell me or show me one person who has been through five operations." For me, it was five knee operations, sitting at home for almost 2.5 years, okay, losing the business, losing the income of which he had developed since the last 22 years. And then what is the state of the person's mind? वो शांति से बैठेगा कि he is under lot of pressure, he is under lot of depression? क्या हो सकता है उसके लिए? He had to close his office, okay, and in fact sell it after due consideration because of the financial state. Now that is the story which is not so good, definitely, but that is my story. Yes, doing extremely well in the computer hardware business, and then back to back, one after another, five knee operations, the pain, the agony after the operation, going to the physio and not able to lift little bit, forget about walking, and then you have to compulsory do that, you know, put into that exercise of just lifting your knee slowly and steadily, and that continuous pain coming in, sometimes tears from the eyes. Forget about all the financials and all that, forget about everything, but that pain coming in, unable to even walk easily. What happens during that particular given time? So I told him, okay, yes, I have experienced that. I have experienced uh, this particular part of the journey. Yes, I have experienced that. So when you experience that and when you come out of that, this is the time when you can help someone. You can help someone to come out of such situation. And the best way to come out of such situation is not for I will not tell you forget your past. That past is going to remain, but you cannot look back again and again. You cannot look back again and again. What is going to change? Practically nothing is going to change if you keep on looking back. Now that baggage which you are carrying, you need to leave it sometime or the other. Now for you, you might have some other challenges, but it is fine. Everybody goes through one or the other challenge. That is what life is all about. but how you are going to come out of it. What is your vision? What you want to do in life makes the difference. Now, how do you come out of this? Is to write down on a paper what you would love to be, what you want in your life, what you are looking for. Write down on a piece of paper. In fact, make a small visiting card size of what you want. And then what you will then realize is you will have to read that again and again and again. The best way to do is to read it early morning when you wake up, one time in the afternoon, and during the night time when you are about to go to sleep. So how this will help you? How this will help you? This will help you to overcome at least one thing. It will help you to overcome at least one thing. And what is that one thing? Tell me, what is that one thing? It will help you not to think about that baggage which has gone back. Now that you cannot change. जो हो गया है. अभी आगे क्या करना है? To avoid that particular part, to avoid that, you need to come out of this. You need to come out of this situation. The best way is to write down what I want. अभी मेरे को क्या चाहिए? And if you can, please एक छोटा सा विजिटिंग साइज का बनाओ कि ये मेरे को चाहिए. This is what I want. This is the things I would love to do. Write it down on a piece of paper. लेकिन वो भी नहीं करते हम लोग. Seriously speaking, वो नहीं करने वाले हैं. You will not write down what you want and then you expect somebody to give you. Hello, not practically possible. अगर आपको क्या चाहिए सामने वाले को मालूम नहीं है तो कैसे वो सर्व करने वाला है? Think about it. You go to a hotel, okay, और उसके सामने वेटर के सामने ऐसा बैठा रहोगे. Waiter will ask, भाई चाहिए क्या आपको? But if you do not ask कि भाई मेरे लिए ये लेके आओ, तो आपको मिलने वाला है क्या? Now think about yourself and the universe. Do you ask? शर्म आती है, ईगो बीच में आएगा. So unless and until you are not having anything into that subconscious mind of yours, तो आपको मिलेगा कैसे? मेरे को बताओ. So for that you have to write down कि मेरे को ये चाहिए. I want this. I want this. I don't want this. I want this. And when you write down that, first thing you have done is, the first step you have taken is you are getting out of that stuff which you have already gone through. Very important. तो ये डिप्रेशन हो रहा, मीन्स यू गो इनटू दैट डिप्रेशन मोड अगेन एंड अगेन. ये क्या है? डिप्रेशन है क्या एग्जैक्ट? डिप्रेशन का जो बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, यू डू नॉट हैव एनीथिंग इन टू डू समथिंग न्यू चैलेंजेस. ओके, और फिर हम लोग रोते रहते हैं, ओ माय गॉड, मेरा तो ये हो गया, मेरा तो ये हो गया. अरे सब कुछ हो गया है तो अभी क्या? आगे बताओ. After 5 knee operations, crying so many times, okay, going down under, 6 feet down under. Huh? And then coming out of that. The pain will be there. The tears will come out for sure. Okay. But just think about it. When you were born, it was so much of pain. And then the tears also, tears of joy when you are out. So pain is going to be there irrespective of whatever you are thinking right now. You have to, we have to go through that pain. And believe me, जब भी हम लोग एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस से जाते हैं ना, तभी तो दुनिया अपने ऊपर हंसने वाली है फॉर श्योर शॉट. अरे ये क्यों कर रहे हैं आप? અરે આ શું કામ તને જરૂરત છે યાર? છોડને આ બધી મગજમારી યાર. આ બધું શું કામ ટાઈમ પાસ કરી રહ્યો છો? This will be the words you will hear. કશાલા? And it is bound to be there for sure. Because please understand, your family loves you. Okay? And they cannot see you going through this, getting up early morning. अरे थोड़ा आराम कर लो यार, बॉडी को आराम चाहिए. हेलो, बॉडी को कभी आराम चाहिए? आई एम टेलिंग यू, it is our body, we can train it into a particular format. I go to sleep at 12 o'clock, I am still awake at 4:30 and I am 100% fresh. जब भी दोपहर को नींद आए, सो जाने का 15 मिनट आधा घंटा, इट इज ओके. किसने बोला है कि ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है? When the body will require the rest, it will tell you, boss, go to sleep. So there are people who love you and they will say, no, don't go through this, ये तो बहुत ज्यादा painful होता है, all that. Yes, because they love you, but it is up to you what you want. Okay, either you will remain where you are and then creep about it. अरे यार, गवर्नमेंट तो ऐसा है, you know, ये पॉलिसी बराबर नहीं है. अरे वो पॉलिसी, गवर्नमेंट, ऑल दैट इज देयर जॉब, इट इज नॉट योर जॉब. Last 2.5 years में I stopped reading the newspaper, which I was loving it. My day would start on my dining table along with a mug of tea, nasta and my papers. Okay, और जब तक in and out में पेपर नहीं पढ़ लूं, my day was not going to start. And this practice was there since 20 long years. Believe me, 20 long years. Even going to the bathroom, newspaper was there with me. That was my condition. And then I stopped it. Because I realized that I am wasting 1 hour of my time. That 1 hour of my time, I can do something for going to the next step. So there are so many things which is unnecessary in our life, which is not adding value, but we keep on doing it. Why? No idea, no clue. Please remember, whatever you do right now, whatever pain you go through right now, nobody likes it. And nobody wants to go ahead with this. But आपको जो करना पड़ेगा, जो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता है, वो सभी चीज करनी पड़ेगी to live a better tomorrow which the others will not have. Remember this. वो सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा जो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता है, to lead a better life tomorrow which other will not have. Are you getting me? Nobody likes to get up early morning. करना पड़ेगा. Nobody likes to shave. करना पड़ेगा. Nobody likes to read. करना पड़ेगा. Nobody wants to avoid this phone. करना पड़ेगा. Nobody likes to do an exercise. करना पड़ेगा. So there are so many things you don't like. And people don't like. Of course, people are not going to like it. तो वो सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा जो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता है, to lead a better tomorrow, which people will not have. Believe me, this is the fact. So there will be some part of the story you may like it. There will be some part of the story you may not like it. Reading books, you will not like it, लेकिन वो भी करना पड़ेगा. Why? Because that is going to give you that growth. Reading newspaper and talking means the front page itself will be इतने मरे, इतने जिंदा हुए, ये हुआ, ये एक्सीडेंट हुआ, blah blah blah. The first thing in the morning, हम लोग सुबह में नेगेटिव न्यूज सुन रहे हैं. Is it worth it? No. Are you going to get anything out of it? No. So why do you start something on a negative note? Tell me. I'm not telling you to stop your newspaper. The choice is yours. But think about it. जो सबसे अच्छा न्यूज रहता है, which is technically who won, who has done some good performance, वो अंदर पीछे के साइड पे डाल देते हैं. Doesn't make sense to me. Now it is not making sense to me. Earlier I was reading everything, but now, sorry, not required. And 2.5 years, it is not there with me. I am fine with that. Okay, in between me, if I feel like, you can go ahead, read, not a problem. But 1 hour of my time saved is fantastic. So it always will depend on you, on what you want. So today, at least do one thing. Write down what you want. Write down. जो भी चाहिए आपको. आंख बंद करके सोचो आपको क्या चाहिए. नया घर, नई गाड़ी, नई स्कूटर. To become a successful trader also, you need to visualize that you are successful. You think about it. Are you not visualizing, अरे मेरा ये loss हो गया, while you are taking one more trade? तो how you will become successful? और जब भी वो ट्रेड नहीं लोगे, you will say, no, I will take a paper trade. वही ट्रेड चलेगा and makes a lot of money. And you will say, oh my God, I lost my opportunity. So this is what is going to be there. So you need to change that. Okay. So write down on a piece of paper, stick it on your wall, stick it in your cupboard. So you keep a positive mindset. You visualize that. Like I am telling you, I tell every one of you, what is the one thing I want to do when everything opens up? Skydiving, yes or no? And I have been speaking to every one of you. Skydiving करना है मेरे को, plane में से कूदना है. Right? I am visualizing most of the time कि मैं ये कभी करने वाला हूँ. Okay, and it is going to happen for sure. I am going to do the skydiving for sure. Okay, so this is one part of the goal. One part of the goal. So I have my book. What is that I want to change? And do I take one step, at least one step, to make that changes? One step at a time. It's not going to be easy. It's going to be tough. But one step at a time. Forget about it. Is like, while I was going through that physiotherapy, I use this analogy. Huh? My knee was not even moving this much. Okay, my knee was not moving this much. And then what happened? Slowly and steadily, it went straight. Leg was moving properly. And then I started to walk slowly and steadily. And then I was able to run. Now, this is what happens. The first initial is the struggle which we are going through. Okay, it's painful. Okay, we actually sometimes even cry, and it is okay to cry also. I have cried in the bathroom so many times. Why? Because I was not getting it right. And then I realized, once the crying is over, I am fine. Okay, now let me focus on the things I have to do. That helps you. That really helps. Instead of becoming a crying momentum wala thing, oh my God, this is bad, this is bad. It is like, you know, that continuous serial में कुछ ना कुछ पंगा होते ही रहता है. So why you want to go about living in this particular fashion? Rather than that, write down on a piece of paper what you want, visualize that, and see the difference it will make when you realize that particular dream.
Yeah. So,
Okay, so guys, our strength is increasing. So today we were 9, now we are 8. Good. I thank Vinodji, Angelo, Kunal. There is someone QCOM. Sunil is there. Tarun Ji is also there, and Dr. Vardhan is also there. So thank you all for being over here in the morning chit chat with Mayur Sampath. Love you all. Take care. And today, do one job. Write down your goals. Visualize what you want in your life and see the difference it will make in the future. Think your future. Love you. Take care. See you tomorrow at 6. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.